Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a try on clothing haul, and all the pieces that I'm going to be showing you in today's video are from a brand called the Moods. They were founded in 2018, but I've actually never heard of them until they reached out to me for this video. The Moods is a really cute online store and they have such a nice aesthetic. They also sell a bunch of trendy clothing as well as some plain things, which I absolutely love. So they did send me some clothes to review and try on for you guys, but I want you to keep in mind that all opinions in this video are 100% my own. I've never ordered from this brand before, so I'm not really familiar with the qualities and everything like that, so I'm going to be doing a thorough review for those of you who are interested in purchasing from their website. Also, I ordered everything in a size small, so if you guys are a similar body type to me, that's the size I get, and I think that they're pretty true to size. So the first item I'm actually wearing, and it is this really cute baseball tee, and it's kind of cropped a little bit, but not really. It fits really good. It's just really comfortable. I can see myself wearing this. So I have my pile of clothes here, and I'm just going to be picking randomly, but I will be linking everything down below in order of how I try it out, so it's easier for you guys to find. So the second shirt is this really cute white ribbed long sleeve button down top, and I think the fit of this fits really nice. It's super flattering. Once again, I just personally love really tight things, so I did kind of navigate towards those on the website, but they do have, flowy fit stuff as well. And it's also a little bit cropped as well, just kind of like this shirt, and I actually got the same thing in a different color. This is a teddy brown, and I absolutely loved how this looked on the website, so I had to get two of them. I just pictured this with a white cami underneath. The quality for these shirts, I would say, is pretty normal. It's nothing super high quality. It's kind of comparable to American Eagle. It's super stretchy and it's really soft and comfortable. The next thing was this ribbed dress, and I loved the way this fit, especially because the square looking neckline. I don't know why I've been really into this. I picked a couple more pieces that have that design up top as well. But this also has a slit down on the left side of your leg, so it gives a really cute look. It's also available in multiple different colors. Again, since it's ribbed, super stretchy, so it fits like a bodycon dress, which I like. I don't usually like flowy types of dresses. Also, most of these clothes are neutral colors with a little bit of pink in there, but most are white or black, and that's just because I am a very basic person when it comes to clothes. I like having a couple staple pieces and then dressing it up with my bottoms or jewelry and accessories. So the fifth item is this really cute cinched crop top, and I have been loving this design recently. I don't know why, and I feel it's been really trendy recently, and that's what I've been talking about, but they definitely have stuff that's in, and you can tie up the sides to make it kind of as short as you want, and it's not too cropped for me. It fits just right again. Also, up at the top, it does have a double layer of the ribbed material, so it's not see-through even though it's white. So this next item is actually part of a set, but the top did not fit me right. It was just way too big, so I still really like the bottoms. I feel the bottoms fit absolutely perfectly, and it's really hard for me to find skirts that fit me for my body type. Whenever I order an extra small for skirts so they fit my waist, they're just way too short because of my legs. So this fit really nicely. It zippers up in the back, and this has a slit in the side as well. It also does have two layers, and it's a really cute light blue floral print. This is not something I would normally reach for, but I think it's definitely something new to try out. This next top is a ribbed ruffled tank top. Super stretchy, and I feel you could definitely go a size down. If you're usually a large, I feel you could fit a medium just because of how stretchy it is. Although this isn't meant to go with that last skirt that I just showed you guys, I feel it goes really nice, and it kind of makes it look like a really vintage kind of look, if you guys know what I'm saying. So this next top is by far my favorite. It is so cute. It has a ruffled design at the top, and it's cropped as well, which I really like. It's not too short, I don't really know how to explain the material of this. It's kind of a satin and silk, but cotton too, it stretches, but it's super silky and soft. This is by far my favorite top out of everything. I literally wish I would have picked this in black, gray, and white because I absolutely love the fit. The next thing is something that is the farthest from my personal style. If you guys know anything about me, this is something that I would never pick, and even now looking at it, just holding it up, it looks I don't know, it's just not my personal style. But I will say, when I tried it on, I was definitely shocked. It looks so much better than just holding it up or in, you know, a regular stock photo. I think it fits really nice, and if you dress this up with some really cute accessories, it could be such a cute like spring outfit. This reminds me of like something that you would wear on a picnic or something like very romantic, like a stroll in the park or something. Next is a ribbed button-up tank top, bralette. I don't know, it's kind of a little bit too short to be a tank top. Interrupting this video to say this is my first time trying on this top, and it definitely fits more like a bralette. Like, it is so short and kind of loose. This top just didn't work out for me overall. The straps are really like big. Also, I don't know if you guys can see, but like here by the buttons, it also is opening as well. So, yeah, this top would probably be a no for me. This top would definitely have to be a lounging around in top. Like, I would definitely not feel comfortable going out like this. This next top is another ribbed tank top, and again, my selections were just like very the same because my style is very plain. And truthfully, the straps I don't really care too much for. Then is a black string tube top. I absolutely love the fit of this, and the feel is super like, I don't know, it feels like really high quality, and on the inside it does not have that fuzz, so it won't be itchy, and it is comfortable to wear while still looking like you have a really bomb outfit on. These straps are stretchy as well, so that's a plus. I also picked this light blue ribbed cami, which cinches in the middle again, so you can kind of like tie it up to be a little bit shorter in the front, and I think that this is definitely in right now. I've seen so many like pants and tops. Also, as I'm showing you guys these try on clips, I am pairing them with my own bottoms, unless if I mention that the pants or the bottoms are from the brand The Moods. But like I said, I didn't really find interest of most of the bottoms, so I'm just going to be pairing them with stuff that I thought would look good with them. I feel like that's the best way to get like a good feel for the clothes and if you like them or not. Next is this white ribbed tie top, and it has straps up here that you could tie in the back, so I actually like that. Like, I think it's better than adjustable straps. It's really universal, and you can like have it as high or as low as you want. I'm really excited to try this top on. I actually haven't seen it on yet, so I can't really tell you the fit on this one. So, update on this top as well. I think it is so adorable. I love this whole like design going on here, and I do have lots of white summer tops, but this is like different with like the thick straps and everything, so I'm really glad that it doesn't like, you know, fit in with the rest of my closet, and it's different from something that I already own. The ties in the back are a little bit long. I actually think it kind of is cute if you tie it in like a really nice looking bow and you have your hair up. Like, I think that would look really, really nice. Also, all these clothes look exactly how they looked on the website, which you would think like obviously, yeah, they're going to. That's what they're selling you. But like sometimes you order stuff from places and like it gets here and it's something totally different than what they advertise it as. The next thing is a plain black crop top. It also has ruffles around the sleeves, which I think is a really cute piece to it. It fits really tightly, and I love this piece too. Even though it's super simple, it's also a staple, so you could add really anything to it. Then was this top, which again, this is one of those things that's gonna look weird with me just holding it up, so I'll have to insert a try on clip. But this is a really pretty like bustier style. This looks and feels super high quality. As you guys can see, it's like a satin silk, and it does have a zipper on the side, so it does still fit like tight, but not like, you know, skin tight. Oh my god, I literally didn't even see this top. Oh my god, it literally was at the bottom of the basket. I haven't tried this on yet, but this looks so cute. It's literally like the same kind of style as that other pink one with the ruffles in the front, and it also has like an elastic band down at the bottom, so I imagine that that would be tight fitting. Oh, it also has adjustable straps and also like an inner like mesh lining to the inside. So we only have a couple more pieces to show, but next is this square neck top. As you can see in this try on clip, it is very tight fitted, and this material definitely is on the like stiffer side, if you guys know what I'm saying. Like, it's really hard to explain, but it's not like I don't know how to explain it. I love the puffy shoulders. I feel like this is definitely like an older style top. It is like a cream, and I don't own anything in this color, so I'm really glad that I get to try something different. And then lastly was this white stretchy top that has a like halter design band that goes around your neck. This top also is like the slightest bit see-through as well, so just keep that in mind if you're going to order the white top for this. For the actual overall fit of this top, I really like it. It's just about that little see-through issue, but if you wear a nude bra, you'll be fine. And I don't know how much I care for these straps. I feel like you know, the straps could be maybe a little bit better, but you know, overall, my truthful opinion is I think this brand is really cute, and I would recommend buying from them. Just because I didn't like a couple of items or like would tweak a little things doesn't mean the brand's bad. It just means that, you know, it's just my personal preference, and you know, everybody's gonna have certain things from certain brands that they don't like. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what your favorite clothing brand is at the moment. Again, like I mentioned before, links to that website will be down below, as well as all the clothing items that I tried in today's video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.